Hi everyone, thank you for clicking this video. I'm English journal from Japan. So in this video, I will share the book I read recently, and I often read books written in English as a reading practice, and I'm doing extensive reading, and today I read about dinosaurs in English. And it's really interesting, yeah. And I shared things that I especially surprised. Okay, so actually, and I learned something really interesting from this book. And actually, the birds descendants, the birds are descendants of dinosaurs. And what surprised me was that feathers. Do you know feathers? Feathers. The feathers may not have originally been used for flying, and they might have been used to keep dinosaurs warm and protect their eggs. It's really interesting. And later, feathers may have helped them jump from trees and run safely. And some dinosaurs probably started using them to catch prey too. And over time, feathers gradually evolved, and some dinosaurs eventually became able to fly. Yeah, it's really interesting. So many dinosaurs had feather not to fly. Yeah, they have feathers to warm by themselves or protect their eggs. So it's really interesting. So flying in the sky was not purpose to have feathers. It's really interesting for me. Okay, so books are really good to get a lot of knowledge, so new knowledge. Okay, I'll finish this video, and I want to share more books I read in the future. Okay, and I improve my speaking skills. Okay, I'll finish this video, and thank you for watching, and see you next time.